Welcome to my channel. In this video you will learn how to make very easy bath salts and how to add flowers. First step is to measure out the Dead Sea salt according to the recipe that you will find down in the description box below. A soothing bath in Dead Sea salt water can work wonders for skin allergies and conditions. The rich minerals also help calm inflammation. Our next ingredient is Epsom salt, also known as magnesium sulfate. Epsom salt is good for the body. It helps relax muscles and relieve pain in the shoulders, neck, back and skull. Last but not least, we are going to add a small part of baking soda or sodium bicarbonate. As soon as you add baking soda to water, it makes it silky without being slippery on your skin. Adding baking soda to your bath can reduce skin irritation and itching and will leave your skin silky smooth. Mix all the ingredients very well. I like to use a fork for this. Now it's time to add your colorant, if you wish to do so. I'm using a mica and I just give it a very light blue hue for this type of project that I am making today. Stir the mixture well to fully incorporate the colorant. You could also leave the salts uncolored if you prefer. Once you are happy with the coloration, you can add the fragrance oil if you wish. You will just need a very small amount, as described in the recipe down below. Again, mix very well to make sure the fragrance disperses throughout the mixture. The next step is very important, and in my experience, not an optional step if you want your bath salts to be completely clump-free once they are in your jar. Just spread the entire mixture on a tray and leave it for at least 1 day. Mix it once in a while to break all the clumps. This is the next day, and as you can see, the mixture sticks a bit together and you want to go through with a fork or a spatula and break all the clumps. This is the next day, and as you can see, the mixture is nice and fluffy and much less clumpier. So I just want to go through and break all little clumps that may have remained in the mixture. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the mixture into my jars. I just scoop it into these jars, and if you're interested, I left a link in the description box where you can find these, as well as all other ingredients and tools that I'm using or recommending. Now it's time to add the flowers or botanicals. I got some cornflowers that I absolutely love, and now since our mixture has been sitting and it's completely dry and clump-free, your botanicals will stay fresh and won't turn brown. I designed some labels for Mother's Day, and the members of my Buy Me a Coffee page, as usual, have free access to these and can download it, print it out and add them to their own Mother's Day creations. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're interested in skincare DIY and soap making projects, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. I see you very soon here for another interesting video, and in the meantime, I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye!